a second breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby, I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. Take it all the time, I need to wrap my head around you. 'Cause God knows I want ya. You're taking everything for me, you don't even know. You're so inside the agony, you stop for a second.